Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, this is for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising. Check your natal chart. Okay, magko-concentrate tayo sa reading sa solar eclipse. Ano yung maaaring maging effect sa'yo. Actually, meron na akong ginawang video. Pero dito kasi, mas i-include ko dito sa video. I-include ko dito sa reading yung placement ni Block Moon Lilith, which is, yeah, magkakasama kasi yun eh. Kasama pa si South Node. But anyway, yung main agenda natin during this time is, maybe partnership, secret relationship, ayan. So, Capricorn, be sure to check yung ating video ha. May ginawa na ako dyan doon sa pinaka channel. Check mo na lang yung in-upload kong video ng mga nakaraan. Capricorn, New Moon, Full Moon, ano yung maaaring maging effect sa'yo. Okay. Capricorn, Black Moon, Lilith, for some of you, if you are in a secret relationship, pwede magkaroon ng ending or maybe new beginning na may ginalaman doon. And if ever that there's an ending of a relationship na sikreto, pwedeng hindi siya mag-end ng maayos. Ang effect nito guys, hindi naman solar eclipse during this day lang talaga. Weeks before and after, or maybe yung pinaka-effect niya is maranasan until 6 months ng, April 2025. Okay? So, kasi there's a lot of events or lesson na may kinalaman sa mga Lilith women or rebellious energy ng Lilith. And, yeah, Capricorn, maybe may mga secret affair na pwedeng malaman or come to light during this time. And, or, yung iba sa inyo, continues, pwedeng yung iba, nadadagdagan pa. If you are a scammer or a bad person, well, hindi ko masasabi yon. Ikaw nakakaalam sa ginagawa mo, you're doing bad business, like you're a businessman pero you're not being honest sa iyong negosyo. Maybe this is the time that you will put an end dito. And yeah, kasi pwede magkaroon ng mga bagong isisikreto na naman na bagay. And or maybe mga dating nakasikreto na pwedeng mag-resurface siya ngayon. So medyo may mga kaalaman or transformation na may kinalaman sa sarili mo, sa bagay na ginagawa mo. Okay? And yeah, a lot of big changes, especially may kinalaman sa hobbies, relationship, or maybe with regards to a child or children, may mga pwedeng events na mangyari dyan. Be careful, yung iba sa inyo kasi during this time pwede magkaroon ng masama or hindi magandang reputasyon. So, if you are engaging in a relationship or magkakaroon ka ng bagong relationship, be sure to check. Kasi kung yung iba naman sa inyo, kung hindi naman ikaw yung gumagawa ng masama na alam mo naman wala kang ginagawa, then maybe this is your person that you're dealing with, connecting with, na pwedeng malaman mo during this time yung anong tawag dito? Yung mga kabalbalan or yung mga ginagawa niya. And I can see communication na hindi mag-e-end sa maganda. Okay? There's a possibility of pag-aaway and hindi magandang reputasyon. And this is actually know that everything is a lesson during this time. So, kung ano man yung mga nangyayari sa'yo, this is like a lesson na dadalahin mo, no? And para magkaroon ka ng deeper level or learning, no, pagdating sa usaping spirituality, and maybe this will align you more sa kung ano yung yung dapat na maging ikaw in the future. So maybe you current moment, current situation, hindi kasi talaga ikaw yan, hindi yan yung dapat mong ginagawa, hindi yan yung person na dapat mong kakonect. So the solar eclipse can help you na makita yun, and like you will look back in the past kung ano ba talaga yung mga gusto mo, ano ba talaga yung mga bagay na gusto na, or mga talents or skills na gusto mo. So maaaring mas mag-shine ito sa iyo ngayon, mas mapansin mo ito. So maybe yung iba pwede magkaroon ng pag-i-start ng action para mas ma-achieve or magawa iyon. Like yeah, you focusing on the things na talagang look back in the days, ano ba talaga yung gusto mo, yung goals mo, yung wishes mo, 'di ba? And yeah, yung iba nakikita natin yung effect din nito sa'yo na pwedeng magiging mas, ma-flirt ka, especially with regards to a friend or through social media. Hindi man in a way na pwedeng direct, but yung iba pwedeng pahapyaw na pagpapakita ng kumbaga pansinin mo ko, ganun, ma-attract ka sa akin. So anyway, thank you for watching guys. I love you all and bye-bye. Please do comment down below guys. Na-appreciate ko yung comment. Natutuwa ako sa mga comment. Nagpapakita ng suporta at saka nagaganahan ako mag-reading pag may comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.